Hi guys, this is ESL video, a site that you went on before. For the last week I decided to do something more relaxed maybe. If you go down, this is the main page, okay? So you go down at the bottom and over here you have the different levels. So if you are in Sec 5 regular, I would try intermediate, 5 regular and high intermediate. If you're in 5 enrich, maybe advanced, and if you're in Sec 4 enrich, maybe high intermediate and advanced. So just to show you how it works again, you click on the category you want. Afterwards, you choose a video, let's say Tree Talk, and you're going to have the video, and on the right you're going to have the questions. So you have the video over here, you can watch it more than once, and you have all the questions over here. You watch, you answer the questions, and at the end you have show how you see how you did. So you have the correction right away. They will ask you if you want to send it to me with a code or something like this. Just don't do this, okay? Just check your answers and don't try to send it to me. I don't have an account, teacher account for that. So when you're done, you can go back or click on ESL video like this. You can go back at the very end over here, choose another one. If you are, like I said, in Sec 5 regular, you can do intermediate and high intermediate. Sec 4 enrich, maybe high intermediate and advanced, and Sec 5 enrich, maybe advanced. So here you go. Take care, guys. This is the last video I'm sending you. I hope to see you soon. Sec 4, I'm going to see you in September, and the other ones, I will see you Sec 5 at the Cérémonie de fin d'études this Friday. So take care, have a nice summer, relax, and have a good life.